What's up everybody, it's your boy. Today I got a little tutorial for y'all. It's a little tech tutorial. It's how to replace your memory in your computer. And listen, I'm no tech guru, so if I can do it, I know you can too. I'm not gonna do any intros, I'm not gonna waste your time, I'm gonna just get right into the tutorial, so here we go. What you're gonna wanna do is make sure your computer is completely shut down. There should be a little switch on the back of your computer. It looks like this. It should be a line and a circle. Make sure it's on the circle, make sure it's completely off. Everything's unplugged. Everything is completely shut down. You do not want to try and change out your memory while your computer is running. It will cause damage that you do not want.
All right, post-editing Devin here. First of all, actually get access to the actual PC. All right, right here, you should be looking for little slots with these looking with like devices that look like this in them. But these are the memories. This is the memory right here. You should be looking for this. I have 3 memory cartridges, but if you have a pre-built, like, you probably will only have 1 or 2, but I have 3. All right, now before you even do anything, look at these squares right here. This is where you want to look at if you want to take stuff out and put stuff back in. This is what secures the cartridges into the slides. This is a very important part. If this is not 100% fastened or 100% unfastened, you will be, that means you're doing something wrong, okay? So what we're gonna do is take this part out. I'm gonna show you to take it out first. Push this part away from the cartridge. You see how there's a whole bunch of space in between the cartridge and the square? That means you did it right, okay? Now take it away. You should hear a little click, and if it looks like that, means you're doing it right. Do the same thing for the other side. This part might be a little harder because my freaking thing was in the way, but it's all right. Once you get it off, it should just come out like freaking butter, bro. You just pull it out, you'll be good. All right, see, I took the cartridge out. This is the old cartridge. Just look at these parts. With the yellow part right here, that's a very important part. I'm gonna show you in a little bit why you need to look at that part, but anyways. Now I'm gonna show you how to put memory in, okay? You just saw it take it out. I'm gonna show you how to put it in. This is a little bit tricky here, okay? Because you have to line the yellow. I'm gonna show you. You see this part right here? You see this slot, this little like niche right here, the little space in between the 2 yellow spots? That part, you need to line that up perfectly or you will be doing something wrong, okay? You see this right here? You see that little rod right there in the middle between the 2 spaces? That is what you need to line up with this nick right here. If you don't line those up, it will not go in. Be very careful. If you do it right, be gentle, you'll be fine. Look, I had to turn around, line it up, put it in between the 2 spaces. Okay, you see? All right, and then just push it down, give it a little bit of pressure. You're not gonna hurt your computer, all right? People think, oh, you should touch your computer a little bit. My computer's gonna blow up and break it. It's gonna blow my house up. You're okay, bro. You can use a little bit of pressure. Don't beat the crap out of your computer. Don't punch it in the friggin' motherboard, but I mean, you can use a little bit of pressure, so you'll be all right. Now, here's the part that people mess up on. They apply pressure, but they get scared because they think they're gonna break the computer. You need to apply pressure evenly on both sides and just push down. You don't need to snap it in because if you push down hard enough, it'll snap itself in. Listen here real quick. You'll hear a little click. When you hear that click, that means you know it's in there right. Listen. You heard that? That click? That means that part's in there. Oh, this time. Heard that click? All right, we good. That means it's in there. That's all. You're good. You just put a memory slot in there. You're good. That's all you need to do. You're done.
All right, and there you go, man. That's all you have to do, and that's pretty. Wait, is this a whole different day? Yeah. Yeah. I guess I forgot to record yesterday, but this is the next day. But anyways, let's go ahead and see if our memory has been installed. Mind you, I had 24 gigabytes before this, so we should have 48 now because I tried to double it.
So what you need to do is just look up RAM info. It's right there. I just literally just typed in RAM and then view RAM info right here. Go here, and here it'll say installed RAM. Now, if your RAM is up to the amount it should be, For me, it's 48. It's there, so that means I installed it correctly. Then you're good. If it's not, you did something wrong. And if you did, I don't know what to tell you.
But anyways, that's it. That's it. You're good now. And if you're not, like I said, don't know what to tell you. But that's the end of this video.